How can people discover your products on Twitter? You have a great product. Now you need to reach your customers. Twitter can enable businesses to drive people from discovery to influencing purchases. The best profile spotlight for you depends on the type of business you run. In this video, we'll explore Shop Spotlight, the tool that gives your businesses the opportunity to tap into the conversations happening about products on Twitter and drive sales. In a recent Twitter survey about shopping behavior, 3 out of 4 people said that conversations they had about products on Twitter led them to make a purchase. You might be a gluten-free bakery, a gaming console shop, or a dog clothing brand. No matter what your product is, your small business can leverage Shop Spotlight to drive sales. When you enable Shop Spotlight, visitors to your profile can scroll through a carousel of your products. Tapping on one will allow visitors to learn more and make purchases on your website. The bonus? All of this happens without ever leaving Twitter or your profile. Getting started with Shop Spotlight is simple. Through your professional account, you can access Shop Spotlight via the Shopping Manager. Shopping Manager is your end-to-end solution for managing your Twitter shopping presence, from uploading product catalogs to creating product sets and curating your storefront. So if your objective is to enable enthusiastic customers to discover your products, Shop Spotlight is the ideal tool to help you achieve that goal. Ready to learn more? Visit business.twitter.com for more resources to help grow your business on Twitter.